Look up to see what's on. Cut back for Ronaldo. Here's Ronaldo. Oh dear, that is a spectacular failure of composure.
Well, he's duffed it. Full technique, one-on-one. What's the miss?
Tackle. Real Madrid having awarded the free kick.
Help me! Help me!
And a substitution in the offing.
Didn't even get to cross.
Marcelo read it perfectly.
Waiting to watch the world burn.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
Andy Orton slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my God! Ryback is in pursuit of Rollins. I can't believe it.
He's Dovahkiin. Dragonborn. Nope. Nope. Nope.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that? What is that, bro?
And Ronaldo takes on the shot. Oh my goodness, what an outrageous hit. I can't believe he took it on from there, and neither can the goalkeeper.
Well, let's have another look at that. When he was lining up, I'm thinking, surely...
Ronaldo. And Cristiano Ronaldo waiting. Oh, can you believe what we've just seen? And Ronaldo takes on the shot. And now Ronaldo. And Ronaldo takes on the shot. Oh my goodness!
Well, take a look at this again. No finer sound than watching a player catch a volley so spinning.
Ronaldo, but what can he produce from here? Measured ball intended for Cuadrado, and the ball is in the net.
Crowd have gone crazy.
Mbappe with it. Di Maria. Cavani!
Well,
What he has in store for them. Lukaku waiting. Oh! And it is Marco Verratti. Oh, can you believe what we've just seen? I think we're going to be viewing that goal time and second half here, and it's almost, Lee, a case of whatever they've touched has turned to goals.
well, for City, the creative teamwork has all come to...
Now the task is to remain focused. Surely. Oh, can you...